Hey Lil Strikers! Today we're going to learn one of the coolest skills in soccer, dribbling. Dribbling means moving the ball with your feet while you run. It's how you get past defenders and move the ball up the field. First things first, use the inside of your foot to touch the ball. That's the flat part on the side of your foot. It gives you the best control. Tap the ball gently, don't kick it hard. The secret to good dribbling is keeping the ball close to your feet. If you kick it too far away, a defender can steal it. Take small, gentle touches. Tap, 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 nice and easy. Now let's try moving. Walk forward slowly while tapping the ball. Left foot, right foot, left foot, right foot. Keep your head up so you can see where you're going. Time to speed up. Once you feel comfortable, try jogging with the ball. Use the top of your foot, that's called using your laces, to push the ball forward as you run. You're getting faster. Now here's a super cool move, changing direction. Push the ball to the side with the outside of your foot, then cut the other way. This is how you trick defenders. Fake left, go right. Let's practice. Set up some cones or water bottles in a line and dribble between them like a slalom. Weave in and out. This is how the pros practice every single day. Amazing job, Lil Strikers! You just learned how to dribble. Remember, inside of the foot, keep the ball close, head up, and practice every day. Soon you'll be dribbling like Messi. See you next time.